My birthday's tomorrow and I have not booked a lash appointment, so let's do the lashes at home, shall we? So this is like my go-to tray whenever I'm doing my lashes at home. Currently I only have 14 and 16 mm, so I don't know how exactly this is gonna work, but we don't have a plan B at this point, so let's get into it. For this installation, I'll be using some hair glue, but you guys use your lash glue. Don't be like Shanice. I do have allergies, but I just never had like an allergic reaction before. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take a little dab, brush out my lashes, and they're pretty sparse in my opinion. I don't really have a lot of lashes. I also tweezed my brows, and the plan was to get my brows done as well, but that didn't happen either, so we move. And I've been seeing the girlies like tint their brows at home, but I'm not at that point yet. So for right now, let's just do the lashes and call it a day.
There was an alien ball at 60 times, but I finally beat it.
So this is the 16 ml glue, like just a tiny bit. It's a bit long. Oh my god. I used up all the shorter ones. Like it starts at 8 mm and I depleted the 8 to 12. So now I'm just stuck with the 14 and the 16, and these are giving long. Oh my goodness. But since it's the birthday, I guess we can work with them. And I know you guys must be wondering, Shanice, how is it your birthday tomorrow and you don't have a lash appointment? Listen, I'm a last minute girly and I'm also a homebody, so I had zero birthday plans this year. We're actually going on a little staycay. So I was like, I'm just gonna go in my natural state. I'm not fussy. I did my hair, I did my nails, and that was good enough for me. But last minute I decided to pop on some lashes just because my face was looking a little bit bare. But I'm starting to think that I should have just gone natural and done. Giving wispy, it's giving cat eye. Yeah, it's cute. It's cute. I'm a rock with it. I don't know if anybody can relate to the birthday blues, but every single year, like clockwork, I just get in a little mood around my birthday, and I just kind of get a little bit sad. Like, I've cried on every single birthday. Some are happy tears, some are sad tears, some are grateful tears, but my birthday is just always something, guys. So I try not to dwell on it too much. I try not to get in the slumps, like the birthday trenches, because I know you guys can relate. It's just that we do a lot of introspection around this time of year, and you know, we may not be where we want to be, or things aren't working out in our favor or the way that we would like, but we just have to give thanks same way and just, you know, pray and hope that God has something great in store for us, and that's what I'm doing. I'm not even going to stay home and be sad. So we're just gonna go on this little vacay / staycay, and we are taking the boys with us, so it should definitely be a vibe. I don't know about anybody else, but I love taking my kids on vacay. Like, if they can't come and enjoy life with me, then what's the point? Like, I get that sometimes we need a little, you know, alone time, especially with your partner, but I feel like if I'm celebrating my time here on earth, then the ones I love most should be around, and that includes my kids. So wherever I'm going, I'm gonna take them along with me. So yeah, I have to move fast because the glue will dry up on you. Let me guys know if you do your lashes at home. And just like that, your girl is all dolled up and ready for her birthday staycay. So stay tuned for the vlogs, of course, and go ahead and rate my cluster installation. But yeah, I'm a DIY girly through and through, so I'm gonna always do my lashes. But let me know what you guys think, and are you a fusion girly or a cluster girly? And let me know in the comments.